Like 11 below in Boston and 17 degrees below zero in Worcester. This is where we have a wind chill advisory through noontime today. When the wind chill gets down around 15 to 20 below, any exposed skin can get frostbite in about 30 minutes time. So please make sure you're all bundled up as you head out this morning. The actual temperatures are in the single digits now. Boston down to 9. It's the coldest we've been in the city in about 2 years since January of 2019. So this is some cold like we haven't seen for a while. Impact weather today. You can see how the temperatures really don't get out of the teens this afternoon. Wind chill sub-zero through midday. That wind is going to be gusting over 30 miles per hour. And notice how we cloud over in Boston. There is a winter weather advisory for the Cape and Nantucket because here we're going to get in on some intense snow squalls as a little lobe of energy rotates around this storm out in the ocean. First, we get some snow around Cape Ann, the New Hampshire seacoast just after lunchtime today. And look at that band of snow brushing the South Shore and really focusing on the mid and outer Cape on toward the later afternoon and this evening. That's where we could see more than 2 inches of snow with reduced visibility and near blizzard conditions for a time. Otherwise, just adjusting to a couple of inches of snow, but certainly something we're watching for later on today. Katie, you've got your eye on the roads right now. We've got a couple hiccups out there.
Yeah, definitely. And we are still watching a bit of a slowdown in Rockland. This has been there for a while. Route 3 northbound, exit 35 just before it. We had a car go off into the woods, and we now have the breakdown lane and the right lane that continue to be blocked. So that backup, stop and go to about Route 228. Also want to mention if you're traveling on the Mass Pike into Boston, remember we've got that lane closure left side there between Mass Ave Bridge and the Prue Tunnel. Westbound, you should see a lane closure in that stretch as well. 14 minutes is your drive time from 495 to 128. Route 9 also looks great through Framingham, Wellesley, Natick, the entire ride. 12 minutes on the expressway, slowest through Dorchester, getting up towards the O'Neill Tunnel. And this is new. We've got shuttles replacing trains between Riverside and Newton Highland on the Green Line because of a power problem. So just a couple of stops there. Doug.